Hello guys, I'm Herman. In today's video I would like to introduce you guys to my big CNC machine. This is a project that I built for over 3 months. It's a CNC machine full size that I built a couple of months back, and today I want to talk a little bit about it. So you can see right here, this machine is built out of steel. This is structural steel for the base. All the parts in blue are made up of steel. You can see right there, the machine is driven with ball screws on all the axes. You can see here, this is the Y axis, and there you have the X axis. This machine is driven by big NEMA 34 stepper motors, 8.6 Newton meter, so they can move very fast. You can see right here, and the ball screw that I'm currently using is the 2005 ball screw. These are very good ball screws as they move very smoothly and also very precise. So right here I have the ball screw. As you can see, my y-axis is driven by 2 motors. You have the y-axis for the y1, and then we have the y2 right here. So on the machine, you can see right here, I transported or transferred the spindle from the smaller CNC machine to the bigger one. So you can see right here, this is a 3.7 kilowatt spindle that I use for this machine. You can see right there on this Z axis, the motor carrying this spindle is a 35 NEMA 34 stepper motor, and is 8.6 Newton meter, just like this one, and it's from the JMC. Is the JMC stepper motor. So right here and on, to tell you the truth, these motors are all closed loop. So in case of any friction with the axis, the motor will directly stop or send a signal to the controller here to stop. Right here you can see I'm using the DDCS version 4.1 to control this CNC machine. This is a 4-axis CNC controller, and this one works extremely well for this machine. With time I may have to upgrade to the DDCS Expert, but for now I'm short of funds, so this is what I'm going to stick with. Hope you enjoy this machine. This is just a brief introduction. I'm going to make a detailed video about this CNC machine, so that I will give you some more details on how I built this thing. This thing is big, it is strong. You can see the side plates here are made with a 20mm thick aluminum, the 7075. You can see the motor couplers that I use to drive all the axes, the X, Y, and the Z axis. So this is my latest project, and I'm going to give you a clearer details on this machine in a subsequent video. I thank you all very much for watching this one. See you next time on the next one. I'll see you there. Goodbye.